We can pack so much into these 4 years, but we need the resources and we need the help. And I know as someone who got to experience this, I absolutely look forward to being able to donate in the future to causes like this.
What's interesting is when we were abroad and we were studying what food security means to people in Senegal, we learned that the definitions were different. And what amazed us most was how much food security is an issue here in the Monmouth area, here in our own areas, here in our own country. Thanks to somebody with the kind compassion of letting other people become educated in an area that is so important, I was able to get this experience, and without the donors it wouldn't be possible.
Crowdfunding is, wow, it's amazing.